Hey everyone, Steve here, and welcome to my Sqribble review. Sqribble allows you to create amazing looking ebooks, reports, and checklists in just a couple of minutes without any technical or design skills at all. In fact, you don't even have to write a single word of content because Sqribble can do it all for you. Really excited to bring you this one today, guys. Sqribble is a great product. Let's get into it. So right now I'm on the Sqribble bonus page, and as always guys, with my product reviews, if you stay towards the end, you'll get to see what freebies and bonuses I'm giving away if you decide to get Sqribble through the link below. So right now on the bonus page, you can see Sqribble creates amazing ebooks without typing any words, allows you to create lead magnets, allows you to make info products in just a flash. And I'll talk a little bit later on about the funnel, the cost, the OTOs, and of course the bonuses. So let's take a look inside the Sqribble app. And it really is a great product, guys. It's what I use to create my own ebooks. So if we go ahead and look at my current lead magnet, the YouTube affiliate engine, this was created with Sqribble, and it is by far the best ebook creator out there, guys. Nothing even comes close. So right now I'm inside the dashboard, and you can see you've already got a ton of different templates that are ready to go in multiple different niches, and you can see this is the one here I used for my YouTube affiliate engine, but absolutely tons of different niches and products here: blogging, affiliate marketing, internet wealth, all the way up to things like weight loss, SEO, Twitter, and there's lots of different local niches in here as well. Things like religion, plumbing, sports, absolutely everything here, learning language, financial services. It's got you all covered. So as well as having these templates, you've also got the ability to create different styles of ebooks. For example, you might have content that's ready to go that you want to turn into an ebook. You can go and do that. You can also pull content from a URL or simply copy and paste wherever you want to do. So let's take a look right now. Let's pick an example. What do I think would be popular? Probably this weight loss one. So I think weight loss is definitely a popular niche, especially for ebooks. And you can go ahead and you can preview exactly what the ebook is going to look like here. And as you can see, it's designed extremely well. Now you can always create an ebook from scratch. It is up to you, but let's take a look at this template now. Let's go ahead and use it. So let's just say weight loss. I've already used weight loss, Steve. So let's just say weight loss update. That's a terrible name. I don't know why I chose that. And we click create your ebook. Okay, so here we have the Sqribble editor, and as you can see, these are all the different pages of our ebooks. Right now, this is dummy content. You can see the lorem ipsum here, but they have filled in the headers and given you the layout, the art, the graphics, etc. And you can see it looks very, very good, and you can go ahead and completely edit this to your heart's content. The title, the images, it is up to you. So let's just add something to the table of contents here, just so you can see how it works. So you can type in here chapter 1, motivation, etc., and you can always move that around and change the font. And you can always completely add a new page, take out a page, duplicate a page. You can pretty much do exactly what you want. So let's go ahead in the settings here, and you can change the header and footer, so you can brand it with your own company's branding, etc. You can take a look at the different pages here, and here we have the drag and drop. So here's the elements, so you can go ahead and clone or narrow down on a specific element, and then we've got add content here. So we've got an article list, and you can go ahead and add some of these articles to your ebook as easy as that. So let's just say weight loss. I'm going to search within all categories. We want to put an article into our ebook, we can. Here we go. What would be good for this one? And I would say fighting obesity. So let's click on that one, and let's add this content in. Preparing your ebook, exciting. And as we can see, if we go down, it's added this here. So you're probably going to want to go ahead and format this a little bit. but you can see in terms of content, you are not stuck for content. And that's one of the beauties of Sqribble. You can go ahead and add content yourself. Now, I write content and I also borrow content and spin it and things like that. So personally, you know, I would just copy and paste, or I would pull it from a URL. So what we can do here is, if we go back to add content, we just pulled from the article collection, but we can also copy and paste text. So if you've already got something written in a Google Doc, you can do that, or you can upload a Word file. It's much easier. And here's a really, really great feature. You can grab from URLs. So if you have a website or an article that's already online, or you want to borrow some content and maybe mix it up a little bit, you can simply enter in the website URL and it will pull content, or it will pull that article, and it might be a ready to go ebook, and that would be really, really great. And you can go ahead then and format it. And then you can add some images and you can add some text, etc. And that is a really easy way to get your own info mini products out there, your own lead magnets, your own ebooks. And it's always great to have, you know, a collection of these guys, because you really want to be giving things away in return for email. So a great e-magnet there. So Sqribble is about as good as it gets with ebooks. And like I say, you can completely customize this to your heart's content. And we can go ahead and generate this ebook now. So you can view it online, or you can download it in a PDF. If you download it in a PDF, you're going to want to host it on something like Google Drive, or Dropbox, so that when people opt in, you can deliver to them via those hosting services. But let's take a look at how it looks online for now. And as you can see, you've got the ebook here and the various different pages, and then we've got our added content, which you will probably want to format so that it's in keeping with the rest of the ebook. But like I say, that's a really, really easy, great way of creating lead magnets, creating info products, etc. It is completely up to you, and that's exactly how I done it. You can also head download PDF. You do have a publish option here as well, and this is for if you want to sell ebooks as a service. For example, you want to create ebooks as a service, and you've got a lot of client management options inside Sqribble. So this is a great way to create a side income, a hustle, and you can do that from within Sqribble. So let's exit this now and take a look at another one, just so you can see. And this is my own one. So this is the YouTube affiliate engine. So let's take a look at this. And, you know, I wrote this completely myself, and, you know, it's been very, very popular, and there's a ton of information, a goldmine of information here on how to rank YouTube videos. But I created this completely off my own back. This is my own content, and it, like I say, it's been a great lead magnet for me, and people really love it, and it's a great way to get your audience on board with you. So yeah, so that is Sqribble in a nutshell, and we've got some other options here. So the funnel, I'll talk about that in a second, but we've got things like Fantasia 3D, which is like 3D covers, and Prime, which is new ebooks every month, I believe. And you can also find clients inside the apps. This is one of the OTOs. And it'll find you people who want to buy ebooks, and you can go ahead and sell them as a service. So let's take a look at the bonus page now, and you can find all the information about Sqribble on my bonus page. Like I say, fastest and easiest all-in-one ebooks on demand. Okay, and you know, it's so easy to use, no technical skills, no design skills. But let's go down and take a look at the pricing and OTOs. So Sqribble is usually $67, guys, for what I just shown you. However, if you use the code NY2021, which will be, I'll put it on the bonus page as well so you can see, and I'll put it in the description below, it'll reduce the price by 70% to around about $27. This is the absolute lowest price you will ever get Sqribble at, guys, so make sure you use that code in the checkout to reduce the price from $67 down to, I think, just under $27. So for $27, absolute bargain. You get the all-in-one Sqribble software, 50 unique templates, 15 niche categories, all the automatic stuff I just shown you, the full library of fonts, the stock library, the the click feedback engine, and of course the discount code as well. So if you want to, and you should be creating ebooks, guys, $27 is an absolute no-brainer. No monthly fees involved in that. It's one of the best deals out there right now for a premium software that is supported really, really well. All right, OTO 1 is Sqribble Professional. And it's a fully loaded Sqribble with 150 new hot and premium templates, 99,000 articles, enhanced content engine, unlimited storage, 8,900 designs. I mean, it's just Sqribble turbocharged. So some of the features I just shown you may be in OTO 1. I just want to make you aware of that. But for $27, if you want to really go ahead and use this a lot, then OTO 1, $97. Again, is great value because there's no monthly fees and you get everything. OTO 2 Sqribble Prime, I don't know why my page is doing that. Get a fresh supply of limited ebook templates every month for a year, and 15 niche designs every month for a year. So you get things like Harry Potter, crypto, 50 Shades of Grey if that's your thing. Again, I think this is really good value. $47, you get a year's worth of stuff. That's brilliant. OTO 3, again, I don't know why it's doing that. I'll try and fix that before it goes live. Sqribble Fantasia 3D. So this turns it into an interactive 3D flip book. So again, this will get your audience, it's a really cool niche thing and they probably really like it. So if you want to make your ebook really memorable, that's a great option. And then the Auto Job Finder. It's a higher price, it's $197, but it'll give you clients that will pay a lot of money for these ebooks and you'll be able to create a really nice side hustle out of it. Now, if you decide to get Sqribble through my link below, which you should, you're going to get access to this exclusive bonus upgrade, Sqribble Content Monster. So later on this year, I'm releasing 6 separate content packs, all right, in different niches, which are completely rebrandable, and I'm going to give you full license rights to them all in 6 different topics. This is perfect to go ahead and instantly create ebooks with Sqribble. I'm going to give you a sneak peek here. Here's the email marketing content I've got. Once again, it's blank, so you can go ahead and completely rebrand it to yourself. There's a lot of great information here. This is on email marketing. There's 6 different niches. Again, put your links in and stuff. You can import this straight into Sqribble and create an ebook straight away. In fact, there's 6 different niches. I'm also giving you the checklists to go with them, so you can create even more content with Sqribble, all right? Each of these, and again, there's 6 different topics, are going on sale this year for $27 each. I'm going to give you all 6 as a free bonus upgrade by getting Sqribble through my link below today. So you've got ebooks ready to go. All right. I couldn't think of a better bonus than that because they just go together. They just work together, right? It's always great to have bonuses that work together. You're also going to get, and again, all 6 of those will be around about $197. You're going to get them for free with Sqribble. You're also going to get the bonus Sqribble templates. You're going to get the ebook profit formula, learn how to profit with ebooks. You're going to get the commercial license with Sqribble to go ahead and offer as a service. This is really, really important. You're going to get the client management dashboard. So if you're creating ebooks for customers, you can manage them inside the dashboard. You're also going to get feedback engine tool to get approval, to get feedback from clients about ebooks, etc. And don't forget I've got 60% there, it's actually 70% discount. I'll change that before this goes live. So I hope you can see the power of Sqribble, and it's just an amazing deal because for $27, it's usually $67. For $27, Sqribble is a complete no-brainer because people love ebooks. You should be creating ebooks, and now you have not only the tool to create them, you've also got the content to go with it too. All right, so that has been my Sqribble review, guys. If there's any questions about Sqribble or content at all, please leave a comment below this video. And as always, if you've enjoyed this review or any of my other content, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons below. Any support is greatly appreciated. My name's Steve. This has been my Sqribble review. Get scribbling and let me know what designs you come up with. Send me your ebooks, guys. I'm really interested to see. See you on the next one. Thanks.